So this is the house of our hens. So now you can see even the hens, they're struggling here. Hello my beautiful people, it's your girl Quinta. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back again to watch up my video. So guys, don't forget to comment, like and share, you know. So today's weathering, it's raining, so boring. Yeah, it's boring outside here. The kids are not around, they're at their places. Yeah, today is it's a boring day, yeah, because it's raining. So guys, I want to show you when it's raining how slums looks when it's raining. Yeah, so just be tuned and watch up my video. Please, I need your support to watch time. So guys, go just and watch up my videos. I need watch time. Yeah, I need your support. Yeah, I need your support. I need your support, guys. So guys, you can see how it's boring when it's raining here at slums. But you thank Vin for doing this. You know, when the rain always come, it passes all over. But now when Lenny and Vin made for us the bridge, Vinny and Lenny bridge. Yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, we could be like scramble with water all over. Yeah, just want to show you. So yeah, you can see the river passed all over here and broke up the toilets here. You can see how flooded it is. Whoa! So imagine here is where we always pass when we are going up there. Yeah, my mom, you are saying what?
Don't go there.
You can see how it's risky here, guys. You can see even the house which are behind they're so risky here, guys. So now we can't pass all over. We just stay at our slums here. We can't go up a current. Even when we want to shoot our video of kids when they are playing, we can't do that now till the rain stop. Yeah. Oh, it's so risky, guys. You can see. So you can see even here the rain. I know you can see. Yeah, the rain break up here. And yeah, even someone who was living here, she went out from this house. You can see what the river have done to people. So sad. So sad. So sad, so sad. Yeah. You can just see. So sad to them. So sad, but some of people, they just stay there. They can't go anywhere. They just stay there because now when it's raining and we are searching the house, it's difficult to get the house so that you can stay inside the house. But some of them, they just stay at their homes. So sad to them. Oh, so guys, you can see how the river is full up. That's far. Oh my god, you can see what is happening here. But sometimes the water always pass through the bridge, upper bridge. Yeah, you can see. Even I'm scared to walk here. You can see the bridge was like to break. You can see that is the small river. Now it's big. Like you can see there, out the house they are going up with water. Even you can see when it's raining, the main pipes of. So now it's risky, guys. You can just see what is happening now at slums in Kibra. I know it's not only Kibra. I know it's not only Kibra. So you can see the young men there. They're looking up their main pipes, which the water passed through. They have already gone with the water. You can see even the church there. You can see it's almost, and then the bridge will be filled up with water, so you can't step on bridge. You can see how they're struggling there to search their pipes of water. See how my mom, she's so shocked. Poor. See what even the plants which they have been planted, it's all gone with water, guys. Woo. You can see how bad it is. You can see now where the water reached, almost at the top. So bad to them. Poor dog. Oh, so are you mad? Hey. So the pipes are going, guys. So sad to them, guys. You can see what is happening here. Even they've removed their things outside their house. So boring life when it's raining in slums.
Sasa ikinyesha usiku watoto wanalala hapo chini, itaanza aje na watoto?
So I had my friend here. She wants to say about the flood here where they live. You can see. So tell me anything. How you feel when it's raining in slums?
Islam.
Yeah. Ongea tu.
Kitu tunaona sio poa. Maji inatupeleka sisi.
So Ogonda, he is saying that water is.
Water is.
Just continue.
Juu kitu tunaona kwa nyumba maji naenda.
So water is picking up them at their houses. You can see.
Yes.
Yeah.
Juu naona sio poa. Hata kama mtu akuja tusaidie.
Okay. So thank you for your information. Thank you so much. Yeah. Just put God. Yeah, so you can see what she's passing through this flood. Yeah. Anything you can say about the flood, what you are passing through?
I can say, hi guys.
Yeah.
I can say the flood is taking water here. Then the water is trespassing over here. Then sometimes I have gone to work.
So you can see how it's coming with pressure.
Yeah. Sometimes I have gone to work.
Yeah.
And I'm not around. My kids are at home. They can get like something is going. They can rush to that flood.
And then
So it's very hard. As life here is very hard. So hard at all. So I can say that someone can come from nowhere to come and assist us, because life here in Kibra, we can see here houses that are here, they are so cheap, so we can afford them. So those are up there, they are so expensive. No matter what, the rain is taking off us here. But here with God.
Yeah, you can hear I can call her like my sister, what she have said, what they are passing through. It's not easy here. Yeah. So it's risky to their children who are always playing here. Yeah. So they can jump there to play with water, but it's not that water, it's a deep water.
Yeah. Even the fence is going.
Even the toilet, yeah, you can see the toilet was there, but now the toilet is not there. Yeah. So thank you for your time.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. So guys, we are here to another my friend's mom's. Yeah, she can tell us what she's passing through right now here in slums when it's raining. So you can tell me anything that what you are passing through. Unaweza niambia kitu yoyote unapitia vile mvua inanyesha.
Sayangua hatuna imani ya hiyo maji yanakuja za makope, mvua ikinyesha ikikuta matiti iko chini, watu wanalia.
Yeah, you can hear what she has said, what she has passing through at the time of raining. So you can see she was carrying a basin, so she was taking water inside the house, pouring outside. So you can see how here it looks, it's watering. Yeah, so you can see, so she has her kids, but now if books and stuff for schools, the water have gone through them. So but we have just a few weeks to back to school to the kids, but he had a difficult time because their children's things of schools, they have spoiled. Yeah, so they are spoiled. Yeah.
Sometimes you are not going to work because of the floods.
So you can, yeah, flood is too hard. You can see what they're passing
Because you
through.
can't leave kids alone.
Because they, yeah.
Because of the floods.
So you can listen to them, guys.
Waters, please, please, please.
Yeah. So you have already listened to them, guys. Your support will help a lot. Anything that you can do, anything. Because share the small kids. You can see them here. Their stuff of schools have spoiled. So any support, please. I'm not taking it for granted. Yeah, I'm not taking it for granted, but you can help where you can help. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time. May God be with you.
Habari zenu. Tumetoka kusaidia maji, ilikuwa imejaa kwa nyumba za watu huko maji na wao mama wako na watoto. Sasa tulikuwa tumeenda kuwasaidia kuchota maji tumwage nje. Hata mnaweza ona penye nakaa. Nimetoka kuchota maji kwa nyumba ya rafiki zangu wanaishi huko kando.
So my mom, she's saying she went to help their friends to pour water outside the house because the house was flooded of water. So yeah, and we want to thank Vin and Lini. Even us right now, we could have water into our houses. Yes.
Vin and Lini. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Vin and Lini. Yes. Thank you so much. If you could not be you, even us right now will be struggling right now, because here always be it's flood, you know, something when it's deeper and the water is coming many, so it could pass here, and then even here you could not even pass.
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you very much. Thank you. Anything to say? You're so tired.
I am tired. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much. So guys, don't forget to comment, like and share. What can you say? Like,
share, comment.
Yeah. Any comment section just below at my YouTube channel there. You can any suggestion that you made, I'll just do for you guys. Yeah, thank you so much for your support, guys.